3, 2, 1. Release, release, release. Fire, fire.
Many aircraft are moving to being less piloted over time, and our vehicle really is piloted to space. And so I think that that has attracted the best of the best to something that is the most exciting vehicle to fly in the world.
Spaceship Unity, welcome to space.
Copy, base. $1 million view. Copy. Spaceship re-entering directly overhead the field.
All right, 3, 2, 1, hack. Happy Thursday. Welcome to VP03, day of top off 3.
You know, the test pilot is probably just the most visible member of a huge team. We're the tip of the iceberg of an organization that is really supporting us in the end. We have initially the engineers who give us a first look understanding at what we think the vehicle is capable of doing. And based on that, we decide how far of a step into the unknown is prudent to take.
Okay, here comes the audio time hack. It's Thursday, the 13th of December, 2018. Forger and CJ, VP03.
The preparation for flight lasts for many, many weeks. And so we have what we call fully integrated sim sessions involving mission control.
Spaceship, you are go for takeoff.
By the time you come to the actual flight itself, you feel pretty confident about what's going to happen.
Remember, what surprised me was it was not as loud as I thought it would be, and the motor was a lot smoother than I thought it would be. But the acceleration is pretty eye-watering, and it's pretty instantaneous.
And then there's that countdown. 3, 2, 1. Release, release, release.
Fire, fire.
Hear a definitive clunk. You know that the release is gone. And then you look to pick up Spaceship in front of you as she starts her flight test.
Roger. 318 max keys. 145 Mach. .5 Mach. Getting good. Looking good here. Back. Copy. Great motor burn, everybody. We're going to space, Richard.
As far as our customers are concerned, our rocket motor we're going to shut it down around about 150,000 feet, and that's sufficient energy to coast all the way up into space. We'll pivot the vehicle onto its back, so they'll be able to see the Earth racing away from them as we climb up towards apogee.
Look outside, man.
1 minute 15 to 5 keys.
Copy, 1 minute 15. The view is incredible.
Shortly after burnout, we're going to allow them to unstrap, and they will feel zero-G or microgravity. And so they will have a true space experience, and that will be amazingly satisfying, I think, and very satisfying from my point of view to share that experience with them.
Spaceship Unity, welcome to space.
Copy, base. $1 million view. Copy, spaceship re-entering directly overhead the field.
When you get that view of the planet, you know, it almost changes your perspective. The fact that our whole mission and goal is to take people to space that want to go is what excites me the most about what we're doing.
Phase check's complete. Check that out. We can see Mexico. Yep.
It's challenging sometimes to step back and look at the big picture, and there's no greater definition of the big picture than looking at the planet from space. You know, it's a little bit serene. You don't see all the conflicts and all the troubles that we have to deal with on a daily basis.
To me, when I see this spaceship, it's actually the product of this kind of unity.
We have the manufacturing company, TSC, and we have Virgin Galactic, the operating company. I look at unity as what really unites us. It will unite customers with each other from different parts of the world. It unites the past technologies with the future technologies. So I think it's got a lot of meanings to a lot of different people. So I think it's a great name.
This mission of democratizing space, it is going to be something that will bring us together. We are not nearly the separate people that we like to think we are. We are one as humanity. So I see that as a mission of the vehicle is unity towards the world.